Hello Honda lovers wherever you are. Welcome back to my channel Info News. Updates for 2024. The Goldwing is unchanged for 2024, which is no surprise. The 4th and 5th generation GL1500 and GL1800, introduced in 1988 and 2001, respectively, endured practically unchanged for a combined 29 years. Tremendous costs associated with developing and manufacturing such a complicated motorcycle prohibit Honda from making frequent changes. Happily, prescient engineers gave the wing advanced tech that is still up to date. Variants and pricing. The Goldwing and Goldwing Tour are each available in several trims. The Goldwing, distinguished by its lack of top box, bagger style, is available with a 6-speed transmission, $24,700, and with an automatic DCD transmission, $25,700. Please support this channel so that it develops further and provides the latest information for you.